Okay.
Hi.
Hi, people.
Hi.
Hi, people of YouTube.
What's up?
Okay. I'm Ashley, and this is my friend Lauren.
Hi.
We're gonna do the fast food freestyle, which you might have seen on iCarly, because not on iCarly,
Nathan on Jeanette McCurdy's YouTube.
Yeah, and then we're gonna do the Boom Snap Clap by Miley Cyrus and Tori. I think.
Yeah, with Miley Cyrus and Tori.
Alright, I'm gonna mess this up. So.
Do you want to do fast food freestyle?
Yeah. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4.
I want a double cheeseburger and hold the lettuce. Do me from side, no seeds, and the bun will be up in this drive-through. 1 for 2, I got a favorite one, number 9, let's fresh shoe. We do some chicken up in here. In this sizzle, rest of my nizzle, extra salt on the frizzle, Dr. Pepper, my brother. Another for your mother, double super size, and don't forget the fries. Crispy! Yeah! Alright, now it's fast food freestyle.
And now we're gonna do
Boom Snap Clap.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3. Boom snap clap, a boom snap clap, snap boom snap clap, a boom snap. Shh.
Now what?
I don't know.
Wanna do it again? Okay, we'll do it again. Ready? Boom snap clap. Wanna do it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Boom snap clap, a boom snap clap, snap boom snap clap, a boom
Whoa!
snap.
Okay, I'll do it again. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Boom snap clap, a boom snap clap, snap boom snap clap, a boom snap.
Okay, now what?
I don't know.
I think that's it.
Is
that what we're doing?
That was it.
What else do we know?
I
You want to do that Reese's Pieces thing you know how to do?
I forgot it.
You forgot it!
I have to take a second to remember it.
Oh, I just want to give a shout out because MJ's birthday's tomorrow.
Alright, yeah.
Yep. Happy birthday, MJ, even though you're dead. But yeah, I love you anyway. What else?
I'm trying to remember that cheer. What was it?
I knew one, but I forgot.
What was it? Brick wall, waterfall, girl, you think you got it all, but you don't. I do. So boom with that attitude. Peace, punch, Captain Crunch. I got something you can't touch. Bang, bang, choo-choo train. Wind me up, I'll do my thing. No Reese's Pieces 7 up. Mess with me, I'll mess you up. That's my
only line I know. Yeah, so this is my YouTube.
Yeah. Hi. I'm just on it. Hi. I have my own YouTube though.
Which she's changing her name, but it's really HSM Lauren, but she's changing it, so.
I think I'm going to change it to Broadway Baby.
You think? You don't know.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's going to be Broadway Baby. Something like
so
that.
what else do we know that we could do?
I don't know.
That's about it.
Alright.
Alright. Peace out, home dog.
Yeah, bye.